It's crazy.
Oh shoot! Look at that!
It's crazy.
Wow. Welcome to the windiest day here in Lofoten Islands. Oh shoot, guys! Today we are having a huge storm here in Norway. We have 30 meters per second of wind gust, which is like 120 kilometers per hour of wind gust, which is pretty strong. So today the authorities recommend people to stay indoors because of course it's not safe to go outside. Ferries are cancelled, bridges are closed between the islands, so I really recommend you guys, if you are coming and you have this kind of weather, to check the weather forecast and to check the app to see if the bridges are open or not. To be honest, it's pretty dangerous to be outside because, I don't know, a tile can fly away, something can fly away and hit you in the head. I came outside because I wanted to see, guys, from the balcony, to show you the power of nature, to feel it in my own skin because it feels amazing. It's so refreshing and it feels awesome. I don't know, it's a beautiful feeling when you are in the middle of a huge Arctic storm. So since the weather is like this today, I think I'm gonna go inside and make some coffee. Maybe we can bake some cookies together. What do you think? Shall we do some healthy cookies? Let's go. Well, I just got changed. The good thing when you have this kind of special clothes for this kind of weather is that when you buy quality, you will not get wet. So I've been outside recording for some minutes and I came inside, I took them away and my skin is dry. I didn't get wet at all. So it's really important, guys, to purchase clothes out of good quality for this kind of weather. It's amazing to have this kind of weather outside. I love cooking and I'm cooking and baking almost every day because honestly it makes me feel so good. I felt like baking some cookies because it has been quite some time since I don't make them. When I was living back in Argentina, my Instagram channel was all about healthy recipes and how to have a healthy lifestyle. I was showing training because I was working also as a fitness trainer. Then I started to travel the world and I changed the niche, the topic, right? But the passion of cooking was always inside me and discovering new recipes. So I have here some almond flour, almond and hazelnuts flour that I make myself with some almonds and hazelnuts. I add also some salt, baking powder, some cinnamon. 1 egg goes in. And then you mix everything until you get this cookie dough texture. I took a tablet of dark chocolate, which is my favorite. I break it into pieces and everything goes inside. You just make little balls and we put them on a tray. I don't like honestly using baking paper. I'm kind of a healthy freak. So we make this kind of cookie shape, as you can see. And then we put them on the tray. So these will go to the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees and they will be ready. The visibility is almost zero. Now you cannot see even the mountains. We are all surrounded by mountains here. You can't see a thing. It's really stormy outside. And the crazy thing is that here in Lofoten, we don't have thunder. The sea is getting every hour more rough, and I think few times I saw storms like this. It doesn't happen quite often.
Buonissimo.
Sono una bomba, eh? È buonissimo. Guys, these cookies are amazing. A little bit warm, they are sublime.
Buonissimo.
La casa estaba tremando. So, after this beautiful breakfast with these cookies, we decided to go for a little drive and to see how the storm looks like from other parts of the island. We saw and it doesn't look that bad. It seems like the bridge, it will be open. So we decided to just take the chance in this time and drive to our friends. Why not? And honestly, guys, probably it doesn't look like, but outside is quite windy. The wind is pushing the car from side to side. So you have to grab very well the steering wheel because the wind is honestly pushing the car away. So now this is the situation. Look. I really hope we will not find more damage.
I am surprised that there's no trees on the road.
It honestly looks quite normal, like a regular rainy day in Lofoten Islands, but it's really windy. Not so much as before, but it's windy. So I think we will find a spot where to park, and I will show you a little bit from outside.
Probably in the video it doesn't look like.
No.
But you can also actually feel it. If we stay quiet, you can feel the wind from the... And it's crazy.
Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but there are kind of twisters in the water.
Look at the wave.
This is so sick. Oh shoot! Look at that!
It's crazy.
No! Wow! Oh mio Dio! This is sick, guys! Look! Oh mamma mia!
No, look at the road.
Yeah.
The road.
Yeah, it's insane.
You can see the rain, how the rain goes from the bottom to the top. Look. Look.
Yeah.
It's really strong. It doesn't look like.
So difficult to show you guys. But this is a real storm. I'm not saying bananas. This is a real storm. So beautiful. Look.
It's kind of scary, yeah?
Yeah, it's quite scary, honestly.
It's kind of scary.
I don't know if we did well on going out.
Yeah, we'll be okay.
I will try to get out in Rørvikstranda, which is one beach down here. If I can show you guys. Of course, if it's too dangerous, I will not go out. I don't want to risk my life. I'm not dumb. But let's see if I can show you. And welcome to Rørvikstranda. This is one of the most beautiful beaches here in Lofoten. I told you about Norfjellet, which is one of my favorites hiking, really nice. But I want to show you guys how cool it looks from here. In summertime, it's absolutely a dream, this place. Look. Okay, now we have a little bit of wind, but it's way better than before. But you can actually see the rain falling. Ooh, look. Oh my God. What I really like about this place is that today is so windy, it's terrible, the weather sucks, but hopefully tomorrow it will get better. Lofoten has this particular weather where you have like the worst wind, and then the next day probably sunny, and then the next day probably is snowing. So the climate here is so unpredictable, but I think it's also like the magic of this place, right? To have all the seasons in just one day. But today is definitely a day to stay at home. Wow. Shit. So I think I'm gonna go to the car. Driving in this weather really makes you think. Out here, nature does whatever it wants. And honestly, that's kind of the beauty of it. The winds howling, waves crashing everywhere. It's wild, but also weirdly peaceful. You should learn to go with it, to respect it. We took the chance to drive while the wind had calmed down a bit. It felt safe, and we planned to head back home once the weather was stable again. If it had still been as wild as earlier, we definitely wouldn't have gone out. It just wouldn't be worth the risk. Life in Lofoten isn't always calm, but that's what makes it special. So we decided to leave because honestly, the car was moving so much, we didn't feel safe. So we decided to go to our friends, and that's it, because that spot, it was right in the open sea, it was facing the open sea, and I believe it wasn't so safe, so smart to be outside. So it's good to enjoy the bad weather and everything, but with cautious. And hopefully when we get out, it will be way calmer on our way back home. The storm passed. It only lasted a day, and then it was gone. The sky calmed down, the wind faded, and the sun slowly rose again, bringing this peaceful light and soft snowfall over Lofoten. It felt like the island was breathing again. Good morning from Winter Wonderland. And look guys, today we woke up with no wind at all and with this beautiful snowfall. Weather is crazy in Lofoten, honestly. So yesterday at the end, we thought we had to stay at our friends to sleep over because it was so windy, the house was shaking, and we thought, okay, I think this is not quite safe to drive under these conditions, especially because we had to pass through some bridges, and with this strong wind gust, I was a bit scared, but Dino managed super well to drive, and he was feeling safe, so we did it, and we arrived safely at home. So yeah, now the storm already passed. We have this beautiful snowfall, and I think yesterday it was a nice experience. I mean, it doesn't happen so often, but when it happens, it's super nice to experience. Thank you guys for being here, and I see you in the next episode of Panita Ventures. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly means a lot. Bye!